abhorrent, inspiring disgust and loathing, repugnant. It's abhorrent to live in a very crowded area. Awe-inspiring. Impressive, formidable, or magnificent. The sight of waterfalls is really awe-inspiring. Concept. An abstract idea, a general notion. I fully reject the concept of presenting a lot of violence on TV. It's so harmful, detriment. The state of being harmed or damaged. Using the computer for a long time may cause detriment to your eyes. Execute. To carry out an order or plan. The whole play was executed with great performance. Frontier. The extreme limit of understanding or achievement in a particular area. Space is the final frontier that man wants to know more about. Intrepid. Fearless, adventurous. A team of intrepid explorers have discovered 3 new islands. Mission. An expedition into space. For a few tense minutes, the astronauts lost radio contact with mission control. Orbit. To fly or move around in a circle. The shuttle will orbit the Earth at a height of several hundred miles. Revere. To feel deep respect or admiration for something. Messi is revered for his talent in football. Revolve around. To go around, turn around, rotate, spin. The conversation revolved around childcare problems. Sentient. Able to perceive or feel things. It's hard for a sentient person to understand how you could treat a child so badly. Universe. The Earth, planets and stars. Scientists carve to explore more about the universe. Astronomical. Of or relating to the branch of science that deals with space. Islamic civilization has played a major role in astronomical science. Conducive. Making a certain situation or outcome likely or possible. Such a noisy environment was not conducive to a good night's sleep. Exceptionally. Unusually, remarkably. Edison is an exceptionally scientist. He had more than 1,000 inventions. Habitation. the state or process of living in a particular place. The Earth is the only planet that is conducive for human habitation. Natural satellite. A naturally occurring object that orbits a planet, for example the Moon. Mars has 2 natural satellites. They are Phobos and Deimos. On board. Available or situated on a ship, aircraft, or other vehicle. As soon as I was on board for the first time, I began to worry. Opportunity. A set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. I advise you not to miss this opportunity. It may never come again. Roughly. In a manner lacking refinement and precision. The thief tried to go away, but the policeman picked him roughly. Solar system. The collection of the planets and their moons in orbit around the Sun. It's impossible to live on Venus. It's the hottest planet in the solar system. Superb. Impressively splendid. Roberto Carlos scored a superb goal. Wane. To decrease in vigor, power, or extent, to become weaker. The lights of the car started to wane. We should check the battery at once. Abnormal. Deviating from what is normal or usual, typically in a way that is undesirable. I saw a girl with 2 heads and a man with 12 fingers. That's abnormal. Alert. To warn someone of a danger, threat, or problem. Some road signs alert people of possible dangers. Data. Facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. I have already collected all the data required for my research. Dual. Consisting of 2 parts, elements, or aspects. This room has a dual purpose, serving as both a study and a dining room. Durable. Able to withstand wear, pressure, or damage, hard wearing. These underground cables have to be made of durable materials. Economical. Giving good value in relation to the amount of money, time, or effort spent. There's increasing demand for cars which are more economical on fuel. Emission. The production and discharge of something, especially gas or radiation. Space technology has lowered fuel consumption and emissions of aircraft. GPS. Global Positioning System, an accurate worldwide navigational facility. GPS shows the exact position of a person or thing by using signals from satellites. Monitor. Observe the process or quality, something, over a period of time. The wireless technology is used in medicine to monitor heart activity. Revolutionize. To change something radically or fundamentally. Space technology advances enabled people to revolutionize their life on Earth. Specifically, particularly, exclusively. We are aiming our non-smoking campaign specifically at young people. Spin-off. Items used in space that improve our lives on Earth. Space technology has improved our lives on the Earth by spin-off. Take for granted. Fail to appreciate someone or something that is very familiar or obvious. Many things we take for granted today may be discovered to be untrue tomorrow. Trainers. A soft shoe, suitable for sports or casual wear. Trainers are light, comfortable shoes suitable for playing sports. Approximately. Roughly, almost. This car costs approximately 6,000 Kuwaiti dinars. It depends on the duration of the dispatch. To send off to a destination or for a purpose. I didn't dispatch the letters. They haven't been signed by the general manager yet. Obscure. To prevent something from being seen or heard clearly. It is difficult to study Venus from the Earth. It is obscured by clouds. Perceivable. Could be noticed. Venus is not always perceivable from the Earth. Scrutinize. To examine someone or something very carefully. He scrutinized the men's faces carefully, trying to work out who was lying.